I just got the Samsung Galaxy Flip 7, and after one day, I already want to return the phone. And I mean, look, I'm gonna be honest. I like it. I really, really like it. I think this phone is so cool. I mean, to have like a flip phone, a folding screen flip phone, like that is so cool. Next level technology, right? Futuristic. And they're so thin now. Like, look at this. I think this is even thinner than an iPhone. Like, it feels like nothing in my hand. Like, I feel like I'm gonna break it. And then I did get I'm covering a little sticker because I'm returning this. Yes, we're gonna get into it. But I'm covering the little sticker on the back so nobody can steal my information. But yes, I did get the color coral red, and I really do like this. Let's focus. I really do like the coral red in person. It does look like a hot pink. Like, it is so beautiful. I really think this is a great color. Now the phone itself, it's amazing. It's fast. It's like the speed of light. You all know how Samsungs are. If you've used a Samsung, they scroll really fast, which I really love. They're really fast in general. They're so customizable, which is a great thing about Samsung phones. Is like they're mini computers. Like, you can basically do whatever you want on here. You're not limited to, only a few things, a few customizable options like you are on iPhone, which I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro Max to record this video. This is my main phone, my 16 Pro Max. So I did want to get this Flip 7 for not only to have like a second phone for when I'm doing YouTube videos or TikToks or whatever, to look at information at the same time I'm making my videos, but also because of you can use what is the back camera when it's open, and the back camera is always better, so they say. You can use the back camera and see yourself at the same time. Like, that is so cool. And it has it's not 0.5, it's actually 0.6 lens, so a little bit wider, I think. Anyways, so they got the 0.6 lens where you can basically do like a full body shot. That's amazing. That is what I really wanted in this phone. It was just a win-win in my opinion. And I did see videos of the Flip 6 using the camera on not only TikTok, but on YouTube as well. And it looked amazing, crystal clear, crisp picture. It was beautiful. And this Flip 7 was either supposed to have, excuse me, was supposed to have either the same camera that the Flip 6 had, or it was supposed to be better. I can't really remember, but either way, it was not supposed to be worse. Let me say that. But it's horrible. The camera on here is absolutely horrible. And I will pull up, I'll show you guys. I did two different videos, but in three different ways. So I will show you guys, I'll pull that up right now and show you what the camera actually looks like so you can see for yourself how horrible this looks. I just got the Galaxy Flip 7. This is my first video that I'm recording with it to post on TikTok, and you can see, like, here you are. Hi, you are on my Flip 7. So if you're wondering what the quality looks like using TikTok on the Galaxy Flip, this is what it looks like through the TikTok app on the back camera. Obviously, this is the back camera if it were to be open. So we can see if the quality is any different. This is me recording outside of the TikTok app on just the regular camera app on the Galaxy Flip 7. So let's see which quality is better, or if they're different at all, or what. All right, and here's what the quality looks like on the Galaxy, or the Samsung Galaxy Flip 7. I keep messing it up. I'd let me know what you guys think. Do you think it looks good or not? This is the the 0.6. It's not 0.5. It's 0.6 view. So you really get like a full body picture or whatever. I really like this. This is one of the reasons that I wanted to get this phone, was because I liked the way the camera was. You could use the back camera and see yourself at the same time. But if it's not good quality, then I will be returning the phone. So you guys let me know what you think down below in the comments. Now you're telling me that's the quality that comes with a $1,000 phone? I think not. I think I will be returning it. That's butt cheeks right there. That quality is horrible. Okay, I did the first one was in the TikTok app using the TikTok app camera through the back camera on the phone. Okay, then the second part of the video was me using just the back camera on the regular camera app that the phone comes with, and then the third one was using the camera app in Ultra HD, which that's Ultra HD. That was the most blurriest video out of all three, was the last one in Ultra HD. Like, I'm not sure if I'm not doing something right through the camera app or what, but I should just be able to open the app, take a video or a picture, and it look crystal clear, just like on an iPhone. Like, on an iPhone, you can open the app and take your picture, you're good to go. There's no blurriness, there's no need to adjust the camera. I mean, like, what? No, shouldn't have to do that. This is a $1,000 phone, and that's the quality that I'm getting with this. I don't think so. I do not think so. Other than that, I mean, the phone is so cool. Again, amazing technology to have the folding phone. I mean, it's really cool. It's great to hold in the palm of your hand, and you can use it like what? I mean, here's YouTube and stuff, to be able to use it on the front screen and not have to open the phone. I mean, it is so cool all around. Now with the crease, that was something that I was personally really worried about. Let me turn this off. I was really worried about the crease. Like you can see it in the lights, and I could see it on all the videos that I watched about the Flip 7 too, with the people who got it early that do like the tech reviews and stuff. Anyways, I could always see the crease, and I was like, man, it looks so deep. It looks horrible. They said they made it better, but it doesn't look better. But actually, in person, it is not bad. Now you can see it really well because I have these big studio lights behind my phone for my lighting or whatever. Or you can kind of see it in the phone, like you see that's my big studio light. So anyways, they're very bright, and I have another one over here as well. So you can really see the dent that's in the phone with these lights on it. But in person, it's not, I mean, you can barely even see it, and you can't even really feel it unless you like really hover over it and pay attention to it. But when you're just using the phone, you can't feel it, which is really nice. That was something that I was really worried about, but it doesn't even matter because I, again, will be returning it. Now, the last thing I do want to mention for the return thing, oh, and it's sending me notifications. So the last thing I want to mention for the return thing, if anybody wants to do what I did, because I think they give you 100 days now to test out the Samsung phones, is like a new thing or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, they're making me pay 5% back. So I have to pay like a $58 like restock fee, which, I mean, I understand. I did take a brand new phone off the shelf, use it for one day, and I'm sending it back so somebody's gonna buy a used phone. So I mean, I kind of understand to a point, but then again, y'all tell me I have 100 days to test out a phone. If I don't like it or if I don't want it, I should be able to freaking return it. I should be able to send it back, get all my money back. That anyways, whatever. So just so you guys know, you probably will have to pay something if you want to return it, unless there's like an actual reason that you're returning it, like it's broke or something like that. But I just wanted to mention that as well. I will be paying a $58 restock fee. Very unfortunate, but I'm not, I'd rather pay that than $1,000 for a piece of crap with crappy quality. Anyways, if you guys have tried the Flip 7 or have a way to make the camera better or whatever, if you're having the same experience, let me know. I want to know your experience with the brand new Flip. I'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know what else to say, but I'm returning it. I love you. Goodbye.